Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no licenses error SteamTools when you're trying to launch a game. If you're seeing this message and the game won't start, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few methods you can try. Let's get started. First, open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Interface and look for Client Beta Participation. Open the drop-down menu and select Steam Beta Update. After selecting it, Steam will ask you to restart the client. Click Restart Now and allow Steam to download and install the required update. Once Steam has restarted, go back to your library and launch the game that was showing the error. If the No Licenses message is gone, you're all set. However, if you're still experiencing the problem, there are a few additional things you can try. First, completely close Steam and restart your computer, then open Steam again and make sure you're signed in to the correct account that actually owns the game. You can also right-click the affected game in your library, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish checking and repairing the files, then try launching the game again. If the error continues, make sure Steam itself is fully updated and check whether there are any temporary Steam service issues. Finally, if none of these methods work, reinstalling the affected game can be another option, especially if its installation files are corrupted. And that's it. These are some of the safest methods you can try to fix the Steam No Licenses error. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more gaming and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.